Hello everybody, it's me, Beau. I am a small business owner. I do a lot of stuff from Amazon to nonprofit work. I do services, I do products, photography, video, you name it. And today I just had a step-by-step walkthrough of how to set up my profitbank checking account. Let's hop right into all the sign up form and go through everything. Now, for the sake of making this video short and sweet for you, I did fast forward the two previous steps were just user profile, username, password, upload a photo of your driver's license, but now we're hopping into the meat of the sign up. Business type, LLC, type in my EIN. Now, the rest of this information to fill out is fairly self-explanatory, such as full-time employees, approximate monthly revenue, industry. The incorporation year, month, and day kind of tripped me up because that's very specific information. I've never actually had that asked of me before. And so what I had to do is I had to go over to the Secretary of State website, and you will look for that certificate that they first issued you when you were first incorporated. And if you can't find the certificate, it's usually public knowledge anyway. If you just search for your UBI on the Secretary of State website, and you'll find that date. All right, after filling out business details, on we are to business document. So be sure to have your articles of incorporation and your EIN verification letter from the IRS. If you don't know what your articles of incorporation are, typically it's just a certificate looking thing from, in my case, the Secretary of State here in Washington. So if you think of articles, unless you're an actual corporation, it's not a whole bunch of paperwork. It's just like that certificate that you get from the Secretary of State for your LLC. And now you have to confirm that you are in fact the owner of your, in this case, LLC. And now we're going to be connecting my existing bank account. Now, if in fact you get an error that is similar to this, you're probably going to have to manually verify your existing accounts, which might just take a little longer. And in that case, you're just gonna click on verification via micro deposit right down here. You would simply add your routing and your account number of your existing account, click on next, clickety click, click submit, and you get a friendly little check mark. And that is the first step, the application. Now we're going to wait and see if we get approved once they review that application.